There's a machine inside every bank that never sleeps, never takes a holiday, and works both sides of the street. It quietly grew the savings of every wealthy customer I ever served, and it built the marble lobby of every bank I ever worked in. Compound interest. There's a quote, usually credited to Einstein, probably wrongly, that calls it the eighth wonder of the world. The quote might be fake. The power is not. In 20 years of banking, I watched this machine run in both directions every single day. For customers on one side, and on the other, for the bank. So today, how it works, why time beats money, and how to make sure you own the machine instead of feeding it. Let's get into it. Quick ground rules first. I'm not your banker, your attorney, or your financial advisor. And none of this is investment advice. The full legal note lives in the description. That's its home. Every number today is a simple made-up example, picked for easy math. Because real rates change constantly, but the machine never does. For your own accounts and choices, talk to a licensed professional. Stories are real, details changed. All right, here's the machine. There are two kinds of interest in the world, and the difference between them is the whole story. Simple interest pays you on your original money only. Picture $100 earning 10%. Made-up rate, easy math, $10 a year, every year, forever the same. Compound interest pays you on your original money, plus on every dollar of interest you've already earned. Year 1, $10. Year 2, 11, because that first 10 joined the workforce. Then 12, then 13. The interest starts earning its own interest. Small difference at first. Laughably small. But the gap doesn't grow in a straight line, it curves. And that curve, given enough time, is the most powerful shape in all of money. Banks knew it first. Now you will too. The machine has 3 levers. How much you put in, what rate it earns, and how long you leave it alone. Everybody obsesses over the first 2 levers. The rich, and every banker I ever worked with, know the third lever is the whole machine. Time isn't just another input. Time is the exponent. Every year you add multiplies everything the earlier years built. Here's a banker's shortcut called the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your rate, and that's roughly how many years your money takes to double. At 10%, about 7 years to double. At 2%, more like 36. So the rate matters. But notice something. Doubling happens either way, if you wait. Which is why the most valuable dollar you'll ever invest is the one you invest youngest, not the biggest one, the earliest one. Now let me show you the sentence that shocks people at every kitchen table. In most honest examples, a small early start beats a big late one. Picture 2 savers. One starts at 25, saves for just 10 years, then stops completely. The other waits until 35, then saves the same amount every single year for 30 straight years. Run the math at any steady rate, and in most honest examples, the early starter finishes ahead for life. 10 years of saving beats 30. And not because she saved more. She saved way less, a fraction of his total. Her dollars just had more birthdays. Every year of delay quietly deletes the most valuable years off the end of your curve. That's the real cost of waiting. So where does this machine run for you? 3 places. And you probably already touch all 3 without knowing it. Savings accounts, where compounding hides inside the letters. Like our most popular, short explained, the yield number already includes it. High-yield savings especially, where the same machine runs at many times the big bank rate. Same government insurance, same access within a day, faster snowball. Moving idle savings there is a free raise. Retirement accounts, where the nest from our last lesson rides this exact machine for decades, sheltered from taxes along the way. The match, then the compounding. 2 engines, 1 container. And any account where earnings get reinvested instead of withdrawn. Reinvestment is the fuel line. Withdrawal cuts it. Wherever money sits still and earnings stay in, the curve is quietly working. Now, the other direction. Because the same machine runs in reverse. And its favorite home in America is a credit card balance. Carry a balance, and interest gets charged on what you owe. Then interest gets charged on that interest. Most cards compound every single day. That's why a stubborn balance barely seems to move. You're not fighting a number, you're fighting a curve. And the curve gets fed daily. And the minimum payment? The curve's best friend. It's sized to keep you comfortable, and to keep the machine fed for years. That sizing is not an accident. Like we've covered before, pay the minimum on a modest balance, and the math can stretch across a decade. Savings compound for you at low rates. Cards compound against you at high ones. Hold that imbalance in your mind for one more scene. Because here's the honest banker scene. The bank runs this one machine in both directions, and the tilt is the business model. On your savings, the machine runs slow and pays you a little. On your card balance, it runs fast and charges you a lot. The difference between those two rates is called the spread. And the spread built every marble lobby, every tower, and every stadium name you've ever seen a bank on. That's not a scandal. It's how lending works, and honest banks disclose every number of it. But nobody sits you down and explains it. And the machine profits most from the people who understand it least. That has always bothered me. So understand it. Every dollar of card debt you erase earns you the card's rate. Guaranteed. No investment on earth promises that. So here's how you point the machine at yourself. 5 moves, in order, and the order matters. First, starve the reverse machine. Pay cards in full, or attack the highest rate hardest. That's the best guaranteed return you own. Second, start the forward machine today, at any size at all. The time lever doesn't care that the amount is small. It only cares that you started. Third, automate it. Money that moves itself on payday never gets spent first and never depends on willpower. Fourth, park it where it actually compounds. Idle money in a standard big bank account is a snowball parked on flat ground, nulting politely. And fifth, never interrupt it. Like the retirement lesson showed, cashing out mid-roll is the most expensive click there is. Let me leave you with one customer from my branch. Details changed. She started an automatic transfer in her 20s, $25 a paycheck. Not because she earned big. She never earned big. Because someone once drew her the curve, and she believed it. She never raised it much. She just never stopped it, never borrowed against it, and never interrupted the machine. 30 years later, she sat across my desk and looked at a balance with more digits than she ever expected to own. She asked me to check it twice. I checked it twice. The machine had done exactly what the machine does. She just gave it the one thing it demands: time. She wasn't lucky, or brilliant, or rich. She was early, automatic, and uninterrupted. That's the entire secret, and it's available to everyone. So here's the whole lesson. Small enough for one card. Interest earns interest. The curve beats the straight line. Every time, given time. Time is the biggest lever. So the best day to start was years ago, and the second best day is today. Kill the reverse machine first. Card debt is the same curve, pointed at you, running faster. Automate a start, however small, into an account that actually compounds. Then leave it alone, on purpose, for decades. Protect it from yourself too. No borrowing against it. No pausing it in tight months if you can avoid it, and never cashing out between jobs. And teach the curve to one young person you love, on a napkin if you have to. It's the highest paying conversation most families never have. The money school now has 3 machines on the wall: the staircase that decides your taxes, the nest that catches your paycheck, and the snowball that grows them both. They were always one connected system. Shrink the climb with the nest, fill the nest from the paycheck, and let the curve run over both for decades. The machine doesn't care who you are, what you earn, or where you started from. It only ever asks one question: when? Answer it with today. If there's a young person in your life who's never seen the curve, send them this video today. And subscribe, because protecting your money is what we do here. I'll see you in the next video.